Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hello everyone, I'm Himanshi Sharma. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. This video is for class 3 English and today we will see question answers and complete NCERT exercise of this chapter, The Enormous Turnip. Link of animated video of this chapter is already there in the description box, and the link of previous video of explanation, word meanings and sentence formation of this chapter is also provided in the description box. So let's start today's video. Question number 1 is, what did the old man plant? Now here in question we can see did, so the verb form will be changed into past tense. Answer, the old man planted turnip seeds. Question number 2 is, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Answer, it was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip because the turnip was huge. Question number 3 is, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Answer is, an old woman, a boy and a girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Last question is, who ate the enormous turnip? Answer is, the old man, the old woman, the boy and the girl. All four of them ate the enormous turnip. Now let's go to the NCERT exercise. So it's talk time. Name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Now name them in your own language. Let's see them one by one. First one is potato. We call it in Hindi aloo and in Assamese meetha aloo or ronga aloo. Now second one is carrot. In Hindi we say it gajar and in Assamese we can say gajar. Now the third one is onion. In Hindi we name it as pyaz and in Assamese we also say it pyaz. Next one is ginger. In Hindi we name it as adrak and in Assamese we say it ada. Now friends, you can write their names in your own language also. There are many more vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth like beetroot, radish, garlic, sweet potato, turnip, etc. So you can choose any 4 such vegetables. Next question is, how many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. So in this maze, one vegetable is already given, that is potato. We can find the next one here, that is tomato. Next one is carrot. We can find next one is peas. Next one is here, beans. And next one is turnip. So we can find 5 more vegetables from this maze. Now a game of opposites. Here some words are given to you and you have to write its opposite. So let's see them one by one. Pull. Opposite of pull is push. Next word is black. Opposite of black is white. Next word is true. Opposite of true is false. Next word is right. Opposite of right is wrong. Far. Opposite of far is near. Good. Opposite of good is bad. Dark. Opposite of dark is light. Next word is up. Opposite of up is down. And the last word is old. And the opposite of old is young. Now let's write. How do you like to eat these vegetables, raw or cooked? Say why. Now here, names of some vegetables are given. You have to choose whether you like to eat them raw or cooked. Let's see the first vegetable, carrot. So we can eat carrot in raw form as well as after cooking. Next one is turnip. We eat turnip in cooked form. Next one is potato. Potato is also being eaten after cooking. Next vegetable is onion. We can eat onion in both raw form and in cooked form. Next vegetable is beans. We eat beans in cooked form. Now, let's see the reason. We like to eat turnip, potato and beans after getting cooked as they become soft to eat after that. We like to eat raw carrot and onion as they are good to eat. We can also eat carrot and onion after getting cooked. Next question is, name 4 vegetables you ate last week. Write their names here. Now friends, this is an open-ended question. You may write names of those vegetables which you have consumed last week. Here I will name 4 vegetables that I have eaten last week. Brinjal, carrot, broccoli and spinach. Next question is to write plural of these words. Here, names of some vegetables are given. You have to tell plural of these vegetables. Friends, most singular nouns are made plural by simply putting s at the end. Let's see how. Plural of carrot will be carrots. Plural of turnip will be turnips. Plural of onion will be onions. However, in some cases, if singular noun ends with O, then we have to add es to the end to make it plural. Let's see how. Potato will become potatoes. And tomatoes plural is tomatoes. Now let's move on to the vocabulary exercise. One word in each of the following sets is different from the others. Circle the odd one out. Now you will find one thing that is different from others that form a group or set, and clue is already given in the bracket. So let's see the first one. Turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal. Now here all of them should be vegetables. So can you find the odd one which is not a vegetable? Yes, it's sunflower. So we will encircle it. In the similar way we will attempt all other questions. Second one is cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, melon. Now here clue is already given that all names should be of animals. Can you find the odd one which is not an animal? Yes, it's melon because melon is a fruit. So we will encircle it. Third one is banyan, neem, peepal, mango, snake, apple. Now according to the clue, all names should be of trees. Can you find the odd one here? Yes, it's snake because snake is a reptile. So we will encircle it. Fourth one is rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. Now according to the clue, all names should be of flowers. Can you find the odd one here? Yes, it's cauliflower because cauliflower is not a flower but a vegetable. So we will encircle it. Now the last one is peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. Now here clue is already given that all names should be of birds. Can you find the odd one? Yes, it's lizard because lizard is a reptile. Friends, from this chapter we have learned that unity is strength. If you find this video helpful, then do subscribe the channel and keep watching the videos. Good day.